Hey there, it's Dr. Crypto here, and the time has come. It's the Bitcoin halving, and I am super pumped about it. So, yeah, in 13 hours time and 4 minutes, 90 blocks remaining, and Bitcoin is sitting at $64,726 from making this video. So it's not doing too bad at all. Have we had that dump? Is the dump over? Well, at the moment, nobody knows. Have we double bombed? Well, I'll check that out in a little while. So in this video, we're going to talk a bit about Bitcoin halving, and then we're going to talk about Crypto.com and the CRONOS, because I really do think Crypto.com and the CRONOS is certainly going to get to that $3 at some point in this bull market. And rest assured, I feel that's going to be the case. But also, I have a little gripe, which is a bit annoying, regarding about these earns, these features, what we can get on the Crypto.com, which other countries have got, and the UK, Hong Kong and Belgium are still excluded at the moment. But I'll get into that in a little while. But yeah, 13 hours to go. So the halving, as we know, reduces that Bitcoin inflation to half. It won't have, I don't think it'll have an immediate effect. I think it could be potentially sell the news event in the micro term. Maybe we've just had sell the news event. But 50% of the reduction in supply is a huge supply dump. But will take time to manifest, maybe months. I don't know. We'll find out, no doubt. Slow grinding, strong base, formed and up. We could dump range, even dump to 54k, but at the end of the day, who cares? If you're a long-term investor like I am, because the path is generally up, and that's what will happen. So, but we might not get that dump. We might go to the Bitcoin halving, and that's it. We grind away straight up to back up to that $72,000, because we do know on the heat map here, we have got $72,000, which is waiting to be grabbed up by the bulls. They're going to grab it, and then do we make a way up, or do we gradually come back down? Well, at some point, that will be taken out. So if you're leveraged, I certainly would be careful on this. For me, spot holders, long-term holders, whatever, sit back and enjoy the ride. That's what I say. Because at the moment, we can see Bitcoin, this is on the hourly. We've been on this downtrend, but look what happened. When I made the video yesterday, I said we needed to break through this downtrend. At the moment, we've made it, but look what happened. We came back last night because of the Israelis attacked Iran, and obviously that dumped the market again. But what we've done is here, we've created, in my opinion, a double bottom. From that point, boom, straight up, straight through that area, that downtrend. Now, tables are going to turn, and we're going to start to make that uptrend up to that $72,000 and beyond. Well, at the moment, it's looking pretty good. The bulls have really held tight at that $59,000, $60,000 mark. So we know now that is a strong area of support. Obviously, we could get a fat finger who press a sell button and drop us straight down to 50 and then rock it back up. But we just don't know what's around the corner. Could get a black swan at any point in time, because all this geopolitical issues is starting to materialize. But at the moment, we've got the Bitcoin halving, which is mega bullish. That supply gets cut down. The Bitcoin halving should say, the Bitcoin gets cutting off, the supply is there and pumped to the upside, because obviously it's like anything, it becomes rarer and the demand's there, it pushes the price up. It's simple as that. But fear and greed at the moment, close that, 66%. I thought like maybe over the weekend would be less than that. I thought we'd be starting to come into that kind of fear, because this doesn't seem to represent what I've seen on Twitter and then some of the comments that I've had, that some people on Twitter, should say X, it's been quite fearful, to be honest. All the bears are coming out saying that's it, the bull market is over, we're going down. People are saying, should I sell, kind of thing. I'm starting to see fear. I don't really see the greed, to be honest with you. As we start to make our way back up to that 72, yeah, I can see the greed kicking in. Is this right? The fear and greed index? Is it sort of bit slightly wrong? I think it should be around about here, to be honest with you. But that's my own opinion. Let me know what you think down below. But we can see on the rainbow chart as well, we're back in that accumulation, just touching in that accumulation zone. And on about accumulation, look, I put most of my money in now into crypto. I'm pretty much all in. That's it. I've got no more money to put in. If we drop down to have a black swan event, I'm going to have to scramble and borrow some money off my wife. She won't be happy about that. But yeah, at the moment, I'm all in. And I'm just sitting back now, chilling out. If you've got a bit of money on the side, maybe it is a bit of a DCA opportunity still. But it says on here accumulation, and if I look at this, we're nowhere near that all-time high. We've got a long way to go. And like I said, on the CBBI, it was only showing 72. I started to DCA out around about 85, 90. I always like to say, always have a price target. Have a target to where you want to sell and where you want to buy. And that's it. On the way up, I nibble bits. I haven't taken anything off the table at this point in time because I don't think it's time yet. It's not right. It's not time. I think we're still early in this bull market and we've got a long way to go. But when I hit my target of like CRO, for an example, of $1, I will take a bit of my initial investment out, because if everything dropped down, then obviously I haven't lost anything. And then on the way up to that $3 mark, I'm going to be nibbling away. I'm not guaranteed it's going to go to $3. It might only go to $1. It might only go to $1.50. You know, so that's how you got to look at it. I'm treating this as my final bull run. It probably isn't the final bull run, but I'm treating it like that. But in the moment, we've got a lot of this geopolitical issues, which actually brought the price down. But it might have done us a little bit of a favour to bring that in terms of accumulation a little bit more, because I really do think, zooming out, we're on the way up, and that's it. But like I said, every time we have these big push-ups to the upside, we're going to get big pullbacks, and we've got to get used to that, because if this bull market carries on, we get another big move to the upside, expect another Bitcoin drop at some point, and bears will come out again. That's it. Bull market's over. Rinse and repeat. At some point, they will be right. It's, you know, at some point, the bears will be right, and we will start to go into a bear market again. But at the moment, I really don't think it's there at the moment. Too many bullish things happening in the space. But we have seen ETFs is starting to slow up a little bit now, in terms of only 4 million outflows came in, but BlackRock are still buying. They're still buying, and all the others are starting to buy again. And that, so it's coming out. We've had a few positive inflows, about 1, 2, 3, 4 negative outflows, 5 negative outflows. And hopefully on Monday we should start to get some more positive inflows. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But we can see here, what I'm saying, as the halving approach, analysts predict a possible new era of Bitcoin valuation. So what we've got to look here, since 2009 inception, Bitcoin has undergone 3 halving events, each following by notable price increase. Following the 2012 halving, Bitcoin climbed 9,500%. In 2016, it saw a 3,000% increase. In 2020, a modest 650%. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think it's going to be like a 300% pump from here? Well, not pump, but like grind up from here? Or do you reckon it'll be another 650? Or do you reckon we can even go to 3,000%? You know, let us know in the comments below. But yeah, really am bullish, because the Bitcoin halving's coming. It's here today and it's going to happen. So really exciting times ahead. So let's have a quick look at what's happening with crypto.com and the CRONOS. So looking at the altcoin market at the moment, it is still on the weekly a sea of red. We can see here we've got like Gala down 22%, Atom down 23%, VET down 50%, Theta 30%. So there's been blood on the streets in terms of the altcoins, but obviously for me, it's been buy the dips. But like I said earlier in the video, I've sort of run out of money. But here we go. I'm just sitting back and enjoying it. I'm just sitting back and waiting for those gains to come through. We can see like Bitcoin on the CRO on the week is 20% down. You know, it doesn't worry me. I've sort of been conditioned over all these bear markets, bull markets we've had. I've just been conditioned to sit back and know it's volatile. I know it could go up quite a bit and it can go down quite a bit as well. I've just sit back now and I'm just like enjoying it and watching unless Bitcoin price structure totally changes, then obviously my feelings will change as well. But at the moment, mega bullish. But CRONOS, as I said, on the day, volume 24, the volume is up by 22%, and we're up by 2.3% on the day, sitting at around about 3.2 billion as well. So yeah, it looks like we're making that bit of a recovery as well. Looking at CRO, we had that downtrend just like Bitcoin, kept on hitting the downtrend, and now we've broken out of that downtrend. But we just got to watch that area here, Bitcoin dominance, watching that very carefully. But obviously, if people say it's going to go up to 60, if it does, it does. And then when it starts to come back down, alts will start popping off. But what I've noticed, exactly like Bitcoin, because I'm following Bitcoin to the T, a double bottom onto the CRO in my opinion. And I think if we can hold the line now and gradually make our way back up to the upside, but obviously Bitcoin dumps, now the news, we could come back, certainly come back down to potentially that 10 pence mark. But obviously, time will tell on that. We'll see what happens today. But overall, crypto.com, mega bullish. You've just got to zoom out. Don't look at those 5 minutes or 1 minute unless you're a swing trade, short-term trader. Then obviously that is a little bit different as well. But we can also see on crypto.com, the reason why I'm bullish on there, it's not just about what they provide for us in terms of finances and earns and such like, but look what they've got in terms of partnerships. They've got some major sporting partnerships right here. We have the FIFA World Cup, F1, UFC, Paris Saint-Germain, AFL, and so forth. So, and F1 Grand Prix as well. That brings in billions of viewers worldwide. So, you know, it is there. And then obviously this got 80 million users. There's such a lot going on, and all the licenses we got, we've just got obviously the Dubai, South Korea, and hopefully at some point very shortly, I reckon, Hong Kong will be coming knocking on, because we know at the end of the month, Hong Kong's ETFs are coming out as well. So if we could get a license into Hong Kong, that's going to be absolutely massive for the Crow Farm and also for the crypto.com business as well. That's going to bring more users in. And like I said, South Korea, and we get the app on there where we'll get released towards the end of the month, which is major bullish news as well. And obviously, like I say, you just go to the website, you can have a look at what they've got, the metal Visa cards, which I've got an ICY debit card, and just for disclosure, I do own CRO as well. But yeah, they've got Earn, On Stain, Shaking, Prime, if you're a millionaire, that is. If you're a millionaire, it's worth checking out that Prime and see what they've got. And then obviously, you can go on the app and download, buy as many cryptos as you want. But honestly, the only gripe I've got with crypto.com, and it's probably not crypto.com's fault, it's probably to do the regulators in my country, to be honest with you, is that I see everybody else getting these rewards, these 10% PA and Earn Plus, and getting 4 times referral bonuses. Oh no, but what do I see? Excludes UK and selected jurisdictions. I just can't believe it. It's like, why? It's like crypto. This is my rant. The UK, Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister, wants crypto to be UK to be the crypto hub of the world. That ain't the right way of going about it. You've got the FSC, who's basically the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, not FCC, FCA. It's just seems to be stopping everything all the time. And it's not just here, because we've got like the jurisdictions that won't be able to have it would be like Belgium and Hong Kong. Well, let me know if you're from Belgium, Hong Kong. Let me know if your app's working with these new rewards, because at the moment the UK one isn't working. And to be honest with you, I should be able to do what I want with my money. If I want to buy crypto, I will buy crypto. I want to have these features, and it's my choice, because in the UK you could go on gamble. You could go out on a casino, bet on horses. It's no problem. The government don't mind that. Tax free. I mean, I don't know if it is. You could buy win 10 grand or something like that, and not even put it for your taxes. You know, it's absolutely crazy stuff. Really, I don't get it. The UK want to be a crypto hub of the world. They ain't going the right way about it, in my opinion. It's ridiculous, and that's my little rant, because you see all the other countries getting it, bar us. I think Hong Kong and Belgium. Not right at all. Not right. And I really hope the UK get their fingers out and actually get this sorted, because I want these rewards. I want to get more CRO. No, I really do. But anyway, rant over. I can't be bothered anymore, because we've got that Bitcoin halving coming up. And that, you know. So, yeah, exciting times ahead. So fasten those seatbelts on and get ready. It's going to be a rocky ride, and it has been so far. Look at that. CRO, that big dip down there. But we come back up. You know, so you just got to zoom out. Don't look at the short term. Take care, and I'll see you soon. But enjoy the Bitcoin halving. Take care, and I'll see you soon.